In this video, you will learn about the Zettelkasten system and how it can help you to extend your brain, store your thoughts, and how it can improve your productivity and creativity. At the end of this video, I will show you how you can use the Zettelkasten system. Zettelkasten is a system used for knowledge management. How is this system invented? The Swiss physician Konrad Gessner was known for his knowledge management job in the 16th century. In under 4 years, he read and summarized over 12,000 books. And in the 20th century, the German sociologist Niklas Luhmann was known for his extensive use of the Zettelkasten system, and he produced over 50 books and more than 600 articles on a variety of subjects. His Zettelkasten system contained over 90,000 index cards, and therefore he is also known as the godfather of the Zettelkasten. How can you create a Zettelkasten system? We will first have a look at the system of Luhmann. The system consisted of index cards, also called zettels. Each zettel has a unique identifier, and each zettel can be linked to other zettels by noting down the identifiers of the other index cards. Luhmann stored his zettels in cabinets, and it took him some time to look up a zettel by its identifier. What Luhmann actually created is a web of knowledge. Compare that to the current web of knowledge, the internet. All the web pages can be seen as zettels, and the unique identifiers are the URLs. And the hyperlinks are the links between the web pages. And it only takes a few milliseconds to look up a web page. Compare that to the time it took to look up an index card. However, the web of knowledge is not a perfect Zettelkasten system. For the Zettelkasten system, it is important that each zettel contains the smallest unit of knowledge, only one thought. The web, books, and articles are collections of thoughts. By allowing only one thought per zettel, it becomes possible to connect thoughts to each other, and that can be used to improve your creativity. So now let's have a look on how you can use your own zettel collection. There are plenty of applications implementing the Zettelkasten system. You will find a few applications in the description below. I am currently using Obsidian, as it can be used locally, which has the advantage that your data remains yours. It is capable of visualizing your web of knowledge, and the zettels are written in a markdown format, which makes it easier to load and store the zettels in other applications as well. Furthermore, it is possible to automatically create identifiers for your zettels. In Obsidian, the date and time is used as the identifier. If you use other Zettelkasten applications, let us know in the comment section below. Now you know what the Zettelkasten system is and how you can build your own Zettelkasten system. You can build your own web of thoughts and increase your productivity and creativity. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on science, productivity and programming. See you next time.